If you're shopping for a sturdy, stylish, and affordable bed frame, you've probably come across the Mellow Naturalista Classic 12-inch solid wood platform bed. Designed with a minimalist look, solid pine wood construction, and a platform design that eliminates the need for a box spring, this bed has become a popular choice for homeowners, renters, and apartment dwellers alike. But is it actually worth buying? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Mellow Naturalista Classic to see if it offers the durability, comfort, and value it promises. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Mellow Naturalista Classic is its clean, timeless design. Made from solid pine wood, the bed frame has a natural finish that blends easily with almost any bedroom decor, whether your style is modern, rustic, Scandinavian, or minimalist. Unlike many budget bed frames made with thin metal or engineered wood, this one feels solid and well built. Its simple design also makes it easy to decorate around, giving your bedroom a warm and inviting appearance. Overall, the craftsmanship is impressive considering its affordable price. One of the biggest selling points of this bed frame is its solid wood construction. The frame is designed to provide excellent stability and long-term durability. The sturdy wooden legs and reinforced frame help minimize movement while sleeping, giving the bed a secure and supportive feel. For couples, this added stability can also help reduce unwanted motion when one person moves during the night. If you're looking for a bed frame built to last, the solid pine construction is definitely a major advantage. Instead of requiring a traditional box spring, the Mellow Naturalista Classic uses durable wooden slats to support your mattress. This platform design helps distribute weight evenly across the mattress while maintaining proper support. It's compatible with most mattress types, including memory foam, hybrid, latex, traditional spring mattresses. Not needing a box spring can also save money and simplify your bedroom setup. Another feature buyers appreciate is how simple the assembly process is. The bed arrives with clearly labeled parts and straightforward instructions. Most users can complete the assembly using basic tools in about an hour or less. Once assembled, the frame feels stable and secure without requiring frequent tightening or adjustments. This makes it an excellent option for anyone who prefers hassle-free furniture setup. The 12-inch platform height provides valuable storage space underneath the bed. This extra clearance is perfect for storing storage bins, luggage, seasonal clothing, extra bedding, shoes. For apartments or smaller bedrooms where storage is limited, this added space can make a noticeable difference. In everyday use, the Mellow Naturalista Classic performs exactly as a quality platform bed should. It offers reliable mattress support, remains stable throughout the night, and operates quietly with minimal squeaking. Its minimalist design also makes cleaning around and underneath the bed much easier. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment, upgrading a guest room, or redesigning your bedroom, this frame offers an excellent balance of functionality and style. Overall, the Mellow Naturalista Classic 12-inch platform bed delivers outstanding value for anyone looking for a dependable and attractive bed frame. Its solid wood construction, sturdy mattress support, easy assembly, and practical storage space make it an excellent choice for a wide range of sleepers. If you're searching for a durable platform bed that combines quality, simplicity, and affordability, the Mellow Naturalista Classic is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the one feature you look for most when buying a new bed frame? Durability, style, or storage?